So hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In case you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Now today is the look 2 of our Christmas look series and I will be linking down the look 1 in the description box below. Please do check it out. Today's look is a simple coppery eye look along with a red lip. So I hope you do enjoy watching this video today. Do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this look, and without wasting any time, let's get started with the makeup. Bye. So I just washed my face and this is my face without any makeup. So let's go with the next step, which is a toner, and for the toner today I'll be using this Good Vibes Rose Glow toner. This is a very good hydrating toner and I kind of use this all the time in the morning. I actually use it as a mist also. So next we'll be going with the application of an aloe vera gel. Now the reason I'm using so many products before makeup is to add extra layers of hydration. In case you're in a very cold place, I think your skin needs a lot of hydration before you go for makeup. So let's just start with the aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel that I'll be using today is this Lakme 925 natural aloe vera gel. I love the smell of it and it actually does a brilliant job. Just rubbing it all over my face. So next I'll be going ahead with the moisturizer, and for today's look I'll actually be using this moisturizer by Pond's. This is one of my most favorite moisturizers and actually this is what I use almost every day. I'm actually loving this moisturizer ever since I started using it, and the good part is it is so inexpensive. Now if you're going to be wearing this look in the day, you can actually go ahead and apply a layer of sunscreen. It's actually mandatory. So please do apply sunscreen before you proceed with makeup. So next I'm using a new product today, and this particular product is an illuminating moisturizer by Sugar. I thought to make this look extremely glowy, so I thought why not use this, and instead of my Max Strobe Cream I'm going to be using this. Let's see how this product works. This is in the shade Pink Triple. I think this is adding some glow to the face, which I really like. So now that we're done with this step, we'll be moving with the concealer to conceal my under eyes. Today for this, I'll be using this Nykaa's concealer palette. I'll be taking this particular concealer shade. So after correcting my darkness, I'll be going ahead with this particular concealer. This is by PAX. This is the Take Cover Concealer in the shade Classic Beige. So next I'll be using a damped beauty blender to basically blend out the concealer. So next I'll be going ahead with this Nykaa Skin Shield Foundation. This is one of my most favorite hydrating foundations and I think this is very good for dry skin specifically. I'm in the shade Hot Honey. I really love the way this foundation blends into my skin. It gives you such a dewy finish. Next, I'll be going ahead and setting my face with this Maybelline's Loose Powder. I'm in the shade 20 Light Medium. So next we'll be moving on to the eyes, and the first product that I'll be using on the eye is this Eyebrow Cake by Miss Claire. I'll just be filling in my eyebrows a bit. Once I fill my eyebrows, I'll actually be brushing them with my spoolie. So next we'll be moving on to the eyeshadow. Today I'll be using this Revolution by Petra eyeshadow palette. As you can see, this palette has a huge collection of colors. I think this is also a very good palette for, you know, makeup artists and people who just want to experiment out with makeup. So so what I'll be doing is today I'll be creating this coppery kind of eye. So let's just begin with the look. So first I'll be using this particular shade as my transition shade. Next, I'll be using this particular shade on the outer lid and on the crease. Then I'll be going with this particular shade in the palette. It's called Best Friends. And I'll be applying it on my lid. Just using my fingers to do it. What I'll be doing next is I'll be taking this particular brown shade and I'll just be blending it on the crease. Now what I'll be doing is I will be using this particular shade and I'll be applying it on my lower lash line. So then I'll be going ahead with this Sugar's Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kajal. This is my current favorite kajal. I really like it and I keep using it frequently. So next I'll be using this Maybelline's Colossal Bold Liner. Next, I'll be going ahead with the mascara, and for today's look, I'll be using this Maybelline's Hyper Curl Mascara. Now, after this, we will be adding some blush, and for the blush, today I'll be using this Nykaa's Duo Blush in the shade Malibu Barbie. This is also one of my top favorite blushes. So I also like this blush because it has like the perfect winter colors. That's very good flush to your skin. Now before you apply your blush, you can actually take the product on your brush and just tap off the excess and then just smile. There you go, a nice pink flush. Next, I'll be applying this Precious Petals highlighter by Wet n Wild. This is also one of my most favorite highlighters. I think today I'm using almost all my favorite products. Now moving on to the lips, I'll be using my most favorite lip color by MAC, which is Ruby Woo. Now I got this special packaging because I got it in the holiday season, and this was a limited edition collection, so I got it in this cute red color packaging. Just giving you random knowledge. So this is the finished makeup look. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you like this look. Do try recreating this look and let me know how it looks in you. This was a special Christmas edition, and this was the second look out of my 2 looks which I had planned. I think the festive season coming up, soon is going to bring a lot of joy and happiness to our lives. And I know most of you will be on leave, so make the best use of your leaves. I do understand it's Corona time and all of this, and we're not able to enjoy as much, but make sure to enjoy to the fullest with all your loved ones, and follow your hobbies, follow your passion, do everything that makes you happy. So from my end, wish you a very Merry Christmas and keep having fun and keep enjoying life.